Hello guys, in this video I will show you how can we change the dark mode in Google. So first open your Google, then search, go to google.com. Once you open your google.com, maybe type something. For me, I'm typing exotic pet YouTube. So how can I change the it to the dark mode? So simply you will see this settings. Click here and you will see the option dark theme off. So hit here. Now the dark theme is applied. So this is how you can choose the dark mode in Google. If you want to switch it back, then simply go to the settings and turn off the dark mode. Now you are back. So this is how you can switch between the dark mode and the lighter mode. Thanks. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.